my side. For you I'll ride till I die, 'cause you're the only girl in this shady world. So don't be afraid, 'cause baby I got you.
Baby, I got you, 'cause I love the way you move. I trust in you, 'cause you're always keeping it true. Never leave me alone, 'cause you give me your corazon. It's that natural high when we're hanging out alone. Call me on the phone when you're going through some hard times. Whatever the problem is, me high, I'll be your sunshine. Front line, I'll protect you with my life. You my muñeca, precious that I cherish with pride. Text message to you two-way, let you know, baby doll, I'm here to stay. By the way, you gave this young pandillero a chance to let me watch your back. When these fakes try to act, we ain't together, but I'll ride with a quickness. Now listen up, Sureña, don't ever turn against this. You're the homegirl, so I gotta represent. Never leave you behind, 'cause you're the girl that I respect. You stand with pride, you're my angel, baby, never ever switching sides. Playing around with this gangster when I was lost, when I needed a place to stay. You found me a spot, you dressed like a vato, that's what people say, but I say you dress with respect, that Pachuca's way. Sabes gay, you're my Donna's homegirl, you're more downer than some of my homeboys, that's word. Baby, I got you, so don't let no one get you down. Never shed the tears of a clown, 'cause I'll be around. Baby, I got you, and I taught you to have sex when we're just little youngsters, like two birds in the nest. Hush, 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 and we kept it on our low, like Bonnie and Clyde. We were straight, ready to roll up in the stereo, listen to some Mary Wells. I got two lovers, and you're one as well. The tequila sunrise, the first time you got drunk and puked all over my rise. It's a Saturday night, watching everyone get older. Shots out to the cholitas, they're the true life soldiers. It's a man's world, would it be nothing without a woman? Especially the homegirls, that's never ever fun. And I stay wondering, what made you so tough? While these other girls were sluts, you were careful who you fuck, someone I could trust. When I was torcido, you had the burner number, and you three-way my people. I got you, so hold your head up high and never blink your eyes, 'cause Sureñas never die, you're full of pride. So let's make it last, like Keith Sweat says, I got your past, baby, I got you. When this world gets colder, you're the girl I trust, from the one and only soldier. Out to all the homegirls out there, they've been watching the homeboys' backs. You know what I'm saying? You ain't been forgotten. Baby, I got you. That's right. Mr. Capone. That's right. See more.
Kung minahal kita, alam mo kung paano to kawagas. Laman ka ng mga dasal, ngunit paano to nagwakas? Bigla na lang di nagpakita, saan ka ba nagpunta? May nagsabi sa'kin sa Cebu ay nandoon ka. Bakit hindi ka nagpaalam? Ano ba ang aking nagawa't biglang iniwan? Ang aking pusong nagtugo dahil sa'yo, hindi na malaman kung bakit nagkaganto. Inibig kita na tapat ang lahat naman ay ginawa. Ngunit hindi ko maipaliwanag ko bakit pa bigla ka na lang nawala. Bigla pumatak sa pag-iiyak ang aking luha na hindi na matiyak. Kung makukuha ko pa bang mga pangiti, sabihin mo kulang pa bang mga sandali ay kasama habang kayakap sa magdamag. Ngayon iniwan mo akong nag-iisa.
Kulang na kulang ba? Hindi pa ba sapat? Inubos kong lahat. Panahon ko sa'yo, anong gagawin? Di mo pinapansin etong damdamin, aking paglalambing.
Sa lubong na naman ng kilay mo, ano ba na naman nagawa ko? Lahat na naman ng pinangako ko sa'yo ay nagawa ko. Dahil ayoko na magalit ka at ako'y bitawan ng mga salita na masakit pagkatapos babasagan. Pakinggan mo naman sasabihin ko, wag mo ko sabayan. Kung ganyan ka na ganyan sa'kin, paano ko sisimulan? Paano mo maiintindihan ko palagi ka na lang mainit? Minura mo na at nakapanakit tapos sasabayang panlalait. Oo, may kulang ako, hindi ba pwede ka magpasensya sa ginagawa mo sa'kin? Di ka pa ba nakonsensya? Puro pa sana ang inabot ko, siguro mga 30. Paano ako makakapalag kung may nakatutok na lanseta? Grabe ka, mahal pa talaga ang turing mo sa'kin. Ba't pag nagagalit ka, mukha ko gusto mong wasakin? Kung alam ko lang ang buhay ko sa'yo'y para sino pa? Eh di sana nag-aral na ako ng boxing noon pa.
Kulang na kulang ba? Hindi pa ba sapat? Inubos kong lahat. Panahon ko sa'yo, anong gagawin? Di mo pinapansin etong damdamin, aking paglalambing.
Bakit ba hanggang ngayon ay nasa isip pa kita? Kahit na ikaw mahal ay di ko na nakikita. Nang magising ako, nawala ka na sa aking tabi. Halos di na ako makatulog tuwing sasapit ang gabi. Tila wala na akong silbi na simula kang mawala. Wala na rin akong pangarap at palaging tulala. At ngumiti man ako'y laging may kahalong bigate. Ano ba aking kasalanan? Bakit pa ako nasawi sa pag-ibig na inakala kong magiging maligaya? Pagsasama nating ngunit bakal bakit nawala ka sa piling ko at ang puso ko ay iyong sinugatan. Iniwanan mo man ako ay di ka makalimutan. Di ko na rin magawa na magmahal pa ng iba. Dahil sa puso ko sinta, ikaw lamang nag-iisa. Ikaw ang una at huli, yan ang aking pinangako. At kahit kailanman pag-ibig ko'y di maglalaho.
Ginagawa ko naman ang lahat upang malaman mong ako'y tapat. Tunay bang karapat ako sa isa't isa? Ngunit bakit ba ngayon ika'y ibang-iba umaasa? Kahit ang puso'y nagdurusa, tila ba ang mundo ko'y puro parusa? Ngayon nag-iisa, walang kasama,